The harvesting of brinjals remind me a very beautiful story that is of Tenali Rama and the brinjals curry. You must have heard about Tenali Rama. So let's start our story narration. So the story took place in an emperor's palace whose name was Krishna Devarya.
The deleted?
As the emperor, he was very fond of growing vegetables like me. So he had a special garden where he grew variety of rare brinjals. So after seeing the brinjals, Tenali couldn't control himself and he just stole the brinjals from the emperor's garden, which was not good at all. And he just told his wife that just make some brinjals curry today for dinner and we'll have yummy dinner together. Now in the morning when emperor woke up, so he just saw that some brinjals were missing from the garden. So he just called Tenali Rama and his son without having any clue that who was behind that. He asked them to investigate that who has stolen the brinjals from his garden. Though at last Tenali he accepted his mistake and got pardoned after telling the truth. So, what the story of Tenali Rama teaches us? The story teaches us that stealing is wrong and honesty is important. So, we should accept our mistakes if we have done any. So, what I feel that in this modern era, we need to follow these types of moral stories which really gives us good values in life. Narrate it for our children also so that they should adapt good things in their life. Now, I believe that you had also enjoyed this beautiful story with me.